USA swimmers beat steroid-aided Germans. USA swimmers beat steroid-aided Germans. Argentina takes down the US in basketball. Argentina takes down the US in basketball. The Dutch rowing team chose a random French kid to win gold. The Netherlands gold medal in rowing 1900. Mother of two wins multiple golds and sets records. The blonde record-holding archer. The blind record-holding archer.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.